Nothing shows you're an expert quite like your own ebook. I'm here to help you become an expert in creating one. Hello world, I'm Mike Ploger, back with Visme, the online tool that can save you hours when creating your next great ebook. Or maybe it's your first great ebook. If so, you've come to the right place to get started. Writing an ebook is a great way to establish your expertise, drive traffic to your brand, and place yourself ahead of your competition. In this video, I'll share with you a few helpful tips to ensure you're making the most of your ebook, including what to do even after your ebook is completed. Shall we? There is no ebook without text to fill it. Don't just fill it up with blabbery nonsense though. Put in the time to do your research and write with a purpose. Throughout your writing, keep in mind why you're offering an ebook in the first place. Typically, it's to provide value or to solve a problem. So make sure you understand your audience and who will be reading your content. Try to use language that your readers will understand and connect with for an easier read. Another tip, don't be vague. Your titles and headlines should be clear and to the point. A reader should understand what they're getting into right away. And as with any written information, double check your facts and statistics. Even cite your sources if necessary to instill confidence in your readers. Proving your information is correct will go a long way. Once you've nailed down what content you want to use in your ebook, there's a number of ways to organize it. First, split it up into sections. Create a table of contents that's easy to understand, listing short headlines that I mentioned just a moment ago. Then try to find sections of content that can be broken down. Maybe there's information that could be turned into bullet points, or perhaps there's complex data that could become a beautiful, easy to read infographic. Try to break up long blocks of text so you don't lose a reader. And just as you want to fact check, proofread your material. Grammatical errors can easily undermine your professionalism and your expertise. Even after you've proofread your content, it wouldn't hurt to ask another pair of eyes to do the same. Establishing a brand is key for growth in any business. The best way to do this is by using a style guide and sticking to it. What is a style guide? Well, essentially it's the color palette, fonts, and designs used in your logo and your branding. These will likely be used in your ebook as well. The characteristics will repeat themselves on every page so your book is clean and consistent. Most companies already have these established. If so, stick to what is used to help strengthen your brand. You'll find it on websites, social media content, and brochures. But if you don't have one already, try Visme's brand kit to help. It's a shortcut to creating your own personal brand with the options to create that perfect look. Now, once you have an idea for your content, sections, and style, it's time to select the right visuals. Of course, if you have your own professional photos, then use them. But if not, search for some stock or royalty-free images online. Visme already has countless free images available in the Visme library right now. Or maybe photography doesn't fit your style guide. If so, use shapes to create your own custom designs. This is where infographics, charts, maps, and graphs can come into play. Now, no matter what visuals you include in your ebook, maintain balance. You should have just the right amount of visuals to grab a viewer's attention and just enough information to get your point across. Okay, you're in the home stretch and it is time to finally design your ebook. If you haven't picked up on what I'm putting down yet, Visme offers the most efficient platform for creating a professional ebook. Here, follow along. First, in the Visme dashboard, click on the Documents tab and find the ebook icon. A number of templates will be available right away on the left side panel. But if none of them are tickling your fancy, feel free to start completely blank. If you look under the Basics tab, you'll find suggested content. Feel free to search this for inspiration. Then, page by page, start filling in your content and your visuals. Make sure you achieve visual balance that I've discussed throughout this video. And if you need more visuals, Visme has customizable icons, charts, and graphs available in that left-hand panel. And lastly, stick to the color guide that you determined earlier. Find 2 to 3 colors that you like and stick to them throughout your entire ebook. Another trick in the left-hand panel is the color palette. You can change all the colors of your ebook at once with just a few clicks. But hey, before you sign off on the final product, revisit this checklist. It's meant to help you achieve balance, maintain attention, and simply ensure you make the most of your ebook. Use the same font, size, and color for all subtitles. Stay away from placing images behind bodies of text. A solid, lighter background is the best. Break up bigger text bodies with memorable quotes. Keep similar styles for all paragraphs. You can't go wrong with the justified style. Avoid widows or orphans, short lines of text at the ends of paragraph blocks. Leave some white space between images and text. Keep borders similar throughout. Your formatting for all content should be consistent. Don't forget page numbers. It's a simple reminder, but they're necessary to help a viewer along. And if you have a longer ebook, include a table of contents page. Make sure to keep it clear and organized. Promote yourself by adding a short bio at the end. You can even include a personal photo if you'd like. And lastly, as I mentioned before, proofread your material. Then have your friends' do it too. Now, once you're content with every last detail of your ebook, it's time to hit one of the scariest yet most satisfying buttons in writing: publish. Publishing and downloading an ebook in PDF format is the best option. It's the easiest for most consumers to read or to download. A great way to increase engagement while driving traffic is offering your ebook in exchange for a viewer's email address. Once someone submits their address on your site, a link can be automatically sent to them, directing them to your ebook. Or if a viewer wants to have the option to read it on a Kindle, make sure you share it in the EPUB format. A converter is likely necessary, so scour the internet to find which one you feel is best. Now, as satisfying as it is to publish your work and debut it on the proper platform, your work is not done yet. If you haven't already, make sure you have a call to action button accompanying your ebook. You don't want viewers to read it, fall in love with your content, and then not know where to look next for more. But to really go above and beyond, market your ebook via social media. Design a cover page and push that ebook anywhere your target audience is hanging out. Could be Facebook groups, live videos, LinkedIn. Use stories on Instagram and hashtags on Twitter. Do not be shy. You deserve for people to see your hard work. Just make sure you make it easy for them to get involved with calls to action and sign-up sheets. And that, my friends, is a wrap. Take some time to go back through this video and nail down the points that I touched on. Then head over to Visme. I promise you've never seen a platform better for building ebooks. Whether it's the pre-designed templates or the opportunity to paint a blank canvas, the power is in your hands. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I encourage you to take a look for yourself at all the videos that we have that are meant for helping you. For now, I'm Mike Ploger with Visme, helping you make information beautiful.